Okay, so I'm going to start over here this way. So this is where we're staying. Has anybody figured it out yet? There's lots of palm trees here. You hear the ocean. It's not where we went last year. Although it looks similar, it's not the same place. Look at that moon though. Full moon, really awesome. Isn't that cool? So we can hear the water. I'm walking across the balcony here. We pretty much have the whole place to ourselves. It's really cool. There's about maybe eight different owners here, about maybe 40 people in this whole place. I have not felt this safe since COVID began. I just have to put it out there. I know my country is doing a really good job of dealing with this, but I think this country's got us beat. I really do. We've had to go through temperature checks and sanitizing tunnels and foot sanitizers and hand sanitizers, being handed hand sanitizers, stands everywhere. Pretty cool. It's really cool. They really, really care, and the numbers show it as well. So there's a lot of people right now going down to the beach, and the beach is right here. It's just downstairs on this walkway right here from where we are. Because of the full moon, I think we're going to go out there tomorrow night. Really cool. Really cool. So just wanted to share with you guys. Hoping that somebody has guessed by now where we are, or by the time you see this, where we were. Yeah, lots of adventures on the way, guys. And you can always, if you want to visit a place like this, you can always just let me know and I can hook you up. So here we go. This is our home away from home, one of them. See you guys tomorrow.